Today's video, I'm going to show you how to set any song as ringtone on your iPhone. So whether you have already got it synced in the music app or you have got it downloaded in your files. So when it's downloaded, what you have to do is you just have to go to your app store. You need to get an app called GarageBand. This may have already be on your phone. It's actually an Apple app, and then you have to open it up like so. You need to rotate your phone. You have to swipe it to the right, and then you have to select this audio recorder. Click on allow. Go and first of all go to the right of the recording button. That blue button, just go and unselect it. Then go to the top right and click on this cogs. Click on this metronome and count in, and then just toggle this off, count in, and tap on this done. Then go over on the top right and click on this plus button in the top right corner, as you can see. And in section A, toggle this on automatic and tap on this done. Then go on the left side and tap on this three broken bars. So this screen will appear, and then you have to tap on this loop button in the top right. So now what you can do is go into files and go and find the song you want to go and use. I'm going for this one here. Just select it. You can click on this browse items from the files app. Now go and hold your finger on it. You can cut the part whatever you want. Now go to the top left, click on this arrow and click on my songs. And as you can see, now it's saved. Now hold your finger on it like so, and you want to go and click on share at the bottom. It's waiting, it's not downloading yet, but when it's done you have to tap and hold on it. Scroll down, you can see this option share. Just simply tap on share, and now you can see this ringtone. Just simply tap on this ringtone and tap on this continue. You can go and give this a name, and then simply tap on this export in the top right corner, and now you can see ringtone export successful. Just simply tap on this use sound as, and you are good to go. And then you can select standard ringtone. And that's pretty much it. That's how you can set any song on ringtone. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.